Hey everyone, this is Andre from TheFireBallPeople, and you're gonna be doing another episode of POKÈHOUSE, and then we are gonna going to a trip into the POKÈHOUSE. So yeah, we got our trainer kit. And we have a special guest with us. It is Meowth. Got our special guest Meowth. So yeah, thank you Meowth for joining us. So yeah, let's open this Pokemon box. So yeah, mostly what we do at POKÈHOUSE is, okay, let me give you a tour. It's sweet treats, but treats will be stand on Pokemon, sweet Pokemons, and they'll give you Pokemon if you got this trigger and just put it out, put the Pokemon out like Meowth. I got my best friend Meowth from there. So yeah, we're gonna open this box right now. Holy. Okay, so gotta catch them all. Yes, we gotta catch them all. So what we have? Come on. Okay, so got booklet. A the rules. More just info. Don't know. Another booklet. Another booklet. And this card right here that has the things. We got the things, stickers, and we got the Pokemon cards. That's what we're gonna find out. Or the POKÈHOUSE. And yeah, let me just get scissors for a minute. So we got this Pokemon card for Meowth right here. So yeah, let's go put this in Meowth and this one for me. So let's see I get. So yeah, ooh, I got energy. I got energy. Meowth, what did you get?
Okay. Go play.
Okay.
Go play.
Glamow. I don't know how to pronounce. Erin, you want to watch me? Okay, so let's see what I got. Next card. More energy. Okay, what does Meowth get?
Go play Koya.
Meowth.
Yeah.
Just Meowth gets. Yeah. What does he get? More energy for him. Okay, let's see what I get. Hopefully not energy. What? 3 in a row energy?
Let's toy 21.
Okay, that's kind of good news.
Yeah.
Let's get one more energy for him. Oh my god, 3 in a row energy for me. Oh, Eevee got Eevee. Let's see what Meowth got.
Go play.
Electivire.
Go play. Koya.
See what I get.
Yeah.
More energy. I got 4 energies. Meowth must not be. She got he got energies. So stop it. Okay, let's see what I get. Regulator. See what Meowth get. I'm just gonna pick it for him. He got energy. Okay, I got Ducklet. Post in the comments down below what energy is used for. I know what energy is used for in real life, but I don't know in Pokemon cards. Hold on. Okay. So let's see what I get. Energy. Okay. Gotta get 2 more cards. Taillow and energy. Why did we get so much energy? Can you help me with that, Mr. Meowth?
Yeah. I'm going to Pikachu.
See what I get. Energy. What? Okay. I guess that will be useful with this Meowth. Get energy.
2.1.
I get energy. What am I doing? Okay. He gets energy. What is? I got a Frocky. What does he get? Electric. I think I do have one of those in Pokemon to make a loopy. Let's see. Got Seeking. Michael. And it also says, I don't know if you can see it, evolves from Goldeen. Oh God, I got Goldeen. Oh. Okay. Time for. Wait. I'm adding up to Meowth's cards. No. Okay. What does he get? Rizzo. Oh God. I'll just put it in the bottom. I'll just put Meowth's cards on the bottom. Mandarin. I possibly. Does he? Get the yellow ones and I get the blue ones. Okay, Suicune. It does sit in the box. Yeah, Pikachu and Suicune. That's good. HP 100. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna put mines next to Meowth's.
Yeah.
What's this Meowth get? Yeah. Pikachu Library. We got Potion. Okay. So, I got Piplup. Good. Okay. Erin, Electabuzz from Pokemon Go. Okay. Electabuzz. What does Meowth get for a second one?
No change. No,
Okay.
Go play.
Fletching.
Can you go play?
Look, don't show it. Not this.
Don't show it.
We
No,
got energy. Got like a lot of energy this episode of POKÈHOUSE. Energy. You're gonna get a buttload of energy. Swana. Really? No. Don't show it. I'm gonna blur that.
No, don't show it.
I'm gonna blur that out if you show it. I'm gonna end this video if you show it.
Wait, help it.
I got energy.
Yeah.
He got energy.
Come on, sis. Eat this play. Here. Wait, help it. No.
Oh, with Terrio.
Which one?
Let's say Meowth is Terrio.
Okay. First one, I got 2 Pokemon. And first one, I got 2 Pikachus.
So I got draw three cards.
You can't.
One is Ducklet.
Hey.
Let's see. Froggy and Froggy.
Don't very. No anything.
Okay, what does Meowth get? Purge. No.
No, nice.
Do I get Seeking again? Did I get things? Get all these Pokemon? No, I have to go back. Gosh.
Yeah.
Let's go back and oh yeah, I do get the Seeking.
Yeah.
Hopefully I don't get a Golding in this. I knew it. I got a Golding. Okay, we're gonna... Okay, let's see what Meowth gets. Oh, a Terno. Haha. Draw 3 cards. Draw 3 cards.
Yeah.
Erin, don't show it! Don't show it!
Don't show it. No, nice.
You got Electabuzz.
No, nice.
And you got Interact. And you got a Trainer Potion. Does he get
Here.
Get it.
Mommy can
You also got Swana. You also got Julie for Meowth. Energy. You got Electrive again. Stand up, Meowth. Meowth is looking sleepy right now. Meowth's eyes is still open, by the way. So he doesn't look sleepy. He just wants to lay down. Dang it! Turn! Oh, I got. Oh, that's my last card. I got Suki. Stop, Erin. Stop with Meowth. Okay. So, what does Meowth all get in this? Stop! Meowth saying stop.
No.
Stop, Erin.
Stop.
Read you. Mommy? Can you please tell Erin to stop? Okay, what does he get? Glamow. Again. Can you please tell Erin to stop? Because Erin keeps bothering me. You got Electric. He got Energy. He got Pikachu again.
OMG, look what I found.
What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, anyway, that was like a strike. So we got good Pokemon cards on our Poké House for today. So yeah.
I'm sorry, pero katapos ng nangyari sa'yo kanina, actually masaya ako sa decision ng tatay. At least you don't have to go around
So thanks, Meowth, for being participating. Even if you didn't put out the cards, but that's fine. Still our best friend Meowth from Poké House. Thank you for being my volunteer, Meowth. And if guys, hope you enjoyed this Pokemon House, me and Pokemon House episode, because so yeah. So stop. So yeah, hope you enjoyed me and Meowth's Pokemon Poké House for. I already said that. Hope you guys enjoy me and Meowth from the Fireball People's trip to Poké House. And I will see you guys later. And me, Meowth, and Erin from the Fireball People. Erin, come here. She doesn't want to talk, but me and Meowth from the Fireball and Erin from the Fireball People will be signing off. Bye. Erin, say bye.